Hi, I am Ivan Rodriguez. I want to present my project for the AI Agents Hackathon. This is an agentic software factory. Imagine having autonomous agents working for you while you relax or enjoy your favorite AI podcast. I'm going to show you a short demo now. I will start with providing the system with a simple initial idea. The system will then generate a product backlog, a test plan, and a list of suggestions. Let's add this feature. The system will update the product backlog and test accordingly. Next, let's set up our project in Azure DevOps. When I click Setup, the DevOps agent will call a list of tools from an MCP server to create a new project in Azure DevOps, add a new product backlog item, and set up a test plan with all the tests. Now we are ready to generate the code for our project. When I click Generate Code, the agent responsible for implementation will call a tool from another MCP server, which launches an Azure function. This function runs a new container. Inside the container, a code agent, either Cloud Code or Codex, will implement the code, the test, and push the changes to the Azure DevOps repository. This is the code implemented, and we can even run the test plan automatically using a pipeline. I have introduced a bug in the code. No worries though, let's let our multi-agent research system to go on a little detective mission to figure it out. When I create a new bug item on Azure DevOps, it triggers our researcher system. I'm using Autogen with Agentic 1, so the orchestrator agent organizes how the agents work. We have one agent that tries to explain the bug using only its parametric knowledge, an issue tracker that searches for similar past issues, a Bing agent to search the web, and one agent responsible for writing the final report. This report is then passed to the job function, which runs a new container with the code agent instructed to fix the bug. We can see that a new branch with the fix has been published. Here we can see how these three systems, each with a different agentic approach, work together in an integrated way. I used semantic kernel to build a human-in-the-loop multi-agent system and also to develop the MCP servers. These MCP servers integrate with Azure DevOps and advanced code agents. The code agents run autonomously without human supervision on Azure container instances. For a more autonomous setup, I use Autogen with Magentic 1 to build a second multi-agent system and connect it with the Azure AI Agent service. I configure Azure AI agents to use AI search for RAG and also integrated the Bing search tool. Notice that all was implemented using Python. I have learned a lot about the different agentic frameworks, the Azure AI services, RAG, and autonomous code agents. Thank you.